Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import and export data in ZOHO CRM using the updated interface for 2025. This is perfect if you're moving data in from spreadsheets or backing up leads and contacts out of your system. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com, then log into your ZOHO CRM account. Once you're in, look at the left side panel and click on the module you want to work with, like leads, contacts, deals, or accounts. Let's start with importing data. Inside your chosen module, and for example, leads, look at the top right of the screen. Click the arrow icon or More Options menu. From the drop-down, click Import. ZOHO will now ask what type of import you want to do. You can either import from a file like Excel or CSV, or you can import directly from another ZOHO app or service. Select Import from File, then click Choose File to upload your spreadsheet. Make sure your file has column headers like first name, email, or company, so ZOHO knows how to match them. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see a screen to map your columns. ZOHO will try to match your spreadsheet fields to CRM fields automatically. Double-check each one to make sure it's correct. If everything looks good, click Next, review the summary, and then hit Import. Your records will now be added to ZOHO CRM. Now let's talk about exporting data. Go back to the same module like Leads or Contacts, and again, go to the Actions drop-down in the top right. This time, select Export. You can choose to export all records or apply filters to export just the ones you need. Choose your format, usually CSV, and click Export. ZOHO will prepare the file and download it to your computer. And that's it. You now know how to import and export data in ZOHO CRM. Quick, safe, and simple, whether you're onboarding new contacts or backing up your work. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials just like this.